This is my newest router cooler, home router cooler. It's made for the type that lays sideways. The old one, my last video, I did one for a vertical router. You can see this. But this is for the type of router that lays flat like this. It's for a friend of mine's. And all the vent holes are on the bottom, so the fan blows up through the bottom. And the fan is blowing toward us right now. Just the wooden box came from an electric supply store, and I guess they use it to mount switches or something on for cement walls. The power is supplied by a wall wart over here, right there. And what else is interesting? Got a fan guard on here, so in case somebody picks it up like this, they won't get their fingers into it. This fan came with a plug, and I left the plug on it so that, because the fan is the thing that goes bad, you want to replace it more often. There's a fuse right here. It's buried in shrink wrap, and it just connects to the wall wart here. Some strain relievers, a couple strain relievers. I use stainless steel bolts for the feet, for the legs, and this one, the only thing interesting about that is I put a nut in there so that I could screw one of the legs up and down so it would sit level and not chatter or start to vibrate. And that's about it. Just a few components, a few hours of work, and that's pretty much it. Anyway, hope you find it useful.